To fix this error, you can roll back graphics card driver, make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, expand display adapter. Now over here you will find your AMD graphic card. I have NVIDIA, this is just an example. You can make a right click on your AMD graphic card and then go to properties, go to driver tab. Now over here, if rollback driver is highlighted over here, click on rollback driver, and once the rollback is done, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. If that does not work, you can AMD card users now go to AMD website, select your graphic card, make sure you select your graphic card over here. This is just an example. Select your graphic card, click on submit, scroll down, click on previous versions, and then if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10, and then you can roll back your graphic card driver to 26.6.1 or maybe older one. So download it, install it, and after installation, you make sure that you restart your computer and then check. If that does not work, use AMD Cleanup Utility tool to uninstall AMD graphic card driver. Now for this, you can search for AMD Cleanup Utility tool, search in Google, and then go to the AMD website, go to the official website, and here you can see AMD Cleanup Utility for Windows. You can download this file and you can follow the on-screen all the instruction over here to uninstall your graphic card driver. Once done, restart your computer. Restart is a must. And after the system restart, you can go to AMD website once again and select your graphic card, your operating system, and then go to previous versions. And then if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. Install this driver 26.6.1 or maybe the older one. Download it, install it, restart your PC, and then check. Still not working, uninstall AMD graphic card driver. Now for this, make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, and then expand display adapter, select your AMD graphic card, go to properties, go to driver tab, and then you can click on uninstall device, put a check on attempt to remove the driver for this device, click on uninstall. Once the uninstall is complete, you have to restart your PC. Restart is a must after this. After the system restart, it will, during the restart, it will automatically roll back to previous version. And then you have to stop the automatic update. You can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Open run box, and in the run box you can paste this command, that is Sysdm.cpl. click on OK, and then go to hardware tab, click on device installation settings, select no over here, and save changes. And then once it is done, you can check. If that does not work, again you can go to AMD website, you can install the older graphic card driver, download it, install it, restart your PC, and then check. Now in future, whenever you want to select yes, you can come back over here, you can select yes. Once the issue is resolved, you can just come back and select yes. Now Windows 10 users, you can upgrade to Windows 11 and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.